Hey everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make an aromatic room spray using our product from Village Craft Candle. First you'll need a spray bottle. Here I have the Boston Round and Charisma. I'll be using the Boston Round in this video. Next you'll need a fragrance oil or essential oil. I'm using the Citrus and Sage fragrance oil. You'll need a room spray base like the one I've shown you here, a measuring cup, a funnel, a stirring utensil, and finally a digital scale. First, we're going to get our digital scale and measuring cup. Make sure to zero out your scale to get an accurate reading. Grab your room spray base. We're going to be making a ratio of 9:1 of room spray base and fragrance oil. Here I'm measuring about 2.5 ounces of base. And now I'm going to measure 0.25 ounces of fragrance oil. Now you're going to stir your mixture gently for 20 seconds. Keep in mind these are approximate ratios. Always refer to your IFRA chart for the directions specific to the scent you're using. Now that your mixture is complete, grab your Boston Round spray bottle and your funnel. Pour in your mixture. And don't forget to label your spray bottle with the fragrance name and date that you made it. This will help you keep track of your scents and their freshness. Now you can give your room spray a test and enjoy. Don't forget to check out villagecraftcandle.com and follow our socials for more videos and blog posts.